Alright, welcome back to the channel. So I just did a little test run, making sure that the coolant works and the coolant level is correct. But today we're going to install some electric fans. So I'm gonna take this thing off and install two 12 inches or here and here, wire them into a relay, and yeah, should be fun. Like and subscribe, let's get to work. Oh, that is what? Half-inch bolt holding the fan on. Let's see if I can get it off. On this pulley, alright, and we're gonna go to Lowe's and get some new bolts. So, and for those of you that have watched the video of me installing the radiator fan on my Beta, this will be very familiar. And okay, one fan is on, but I've just got one attachment, so I'm going to install 3 total per fan. That gives me one extra zip tie. So that's what that looks like, installed there, and then on the front got the zip ties going through, so pretty sweet. Alright, let's do the other one now. And that is how it's installed. TBD on if I add more of the clips here. I think we should be good. Probably should have put 2 on the top and then 1 on the bottom, but oh well, it's fine. Might add a couple more just to be safe. Alright, let's get the bolts and then let's get on to wiring these fans. Continuing with the fan wiring. I don't know if you can really see me. Yeah, whatever. We're going to do some of these connectors I got. So just going to run blues to the bus bar over there and then blacks to ground. So pretty straightforward. Alright, let's get those set up. I'm going to crimp. Just going to crimp on these blue connectors, if you can see it, onto the wire and run them to the ground. And I'm gonna have some extra wire for sure, but we will deal with that at a later date. Okay. Once we route all the wires correctly, Okay, now I'm going to drill to this side of the dashboard for the radiator fans. We got a couple of the wires. This one should be pretty easy to get in because I got access through the glove box, which doesn't have any, I guess, compartment. So that's that. All right, my switch in here. Do need the nut. Call black is ground. So black wire into the ground slot. Sweet. We now have the switch mostly installed. Now we get to wire up the relay. Alright, we are going to crimp the two relay grounds together. So those two are crimped together. Heat shrink that. Make sure that's not going anywhere. I'm going to do the same thing with the blues here, because those are coming off of the battery. A big... Alright, correction, I'm going to do them individually because I don't have any of these big enough to handle two 12 gauge wires, so no big deal. Okay. The reds. Let's see. Do this well. Alright, we'll attach the blues. Do the greens. Okay, and now we've got the first one. This one is difficult for some reason. Okay, so it's wired up. Let's see if it works. Okay, now that I've got the relays plugged in, let's see if this will work. Sweet. And both are fired up. Awesome. All right, so that's it for the fan install. I need to clean up all these wires, that's for sure. But like and subscribe, and cool. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.